Good morning, friends. It's a great pleasure. Once again, I'm coming in front of you. I would like to share you. While I was staying in Kenya, the capital of Kenya is Nairobi. I have stayed there few years. The Kenyan people have their own language. It is called Swahili. Kwahili. Swahili. The Swahili language is a tribal language of Kenya, which is their mother tongue. The language has its own rhythm, and the people they speak, and it has its own value, like how our mother tongues in India. But as the country has been ruled by English people, UK people, how our India has been ruled, the official language of Kenya has been declared English. So in Kenya, every person from child to up to the elderly person, even aged person, everyone they speak English. They communicate in English, and some people they are very efficient in speaking grammatical English. Some people may not speak grammatically. Speaking in English and communicating is very important. They are habituated. Some are well versed with the language. They don't feel that, I'm speaking aristocratic language or something which is greater language in the world, like that. Worker and a scavenger and an eminent personality, the directors of the company and the government servants, the ministers, all they speak in English, and which is their official language. So here, why I would like to share with you about this communication in English. Speaking in any language, it comes through practice. It doesn't come through learning, like how the lessons, how the mathematics, how the science we learn through our classrooms. So language always, when you practice more and more, and you get more and more. There are two aspects here you have to observe. Number one is that communication. Communicating to others is one aspect, whether it is grammatically speaking or not. The other one is that communicating with a grammar and in a perfect manner. Speaking perfectly in any language, it makes some sense, 100%. But while you are learning, you should not be much particular about the grammar. You should learn just like that how we have learnt our mother tongue. While our mother, she was bringing up and she has given us such a training that, and we also have learned slowly by making the mistakes and correcting the mistakes, and how we have crawled and we walked and we have started by making all the mistakes and corrections. Finally, we have spoken, we have walked, we have done everything independently, and we are perfectly doing, and we are very efficient of speaking in our mother tongue. In the same way, any language, if you are taking it very easy and without any phobia, without any feeling about it, how you feel it your mother tongue, if you learn the other language, your mother tongue, it is very easy and very happy. I feel, as per my experience, it's a very easy language than the mother tongues which are existing in India, and it's very easy to speak in the language of English. So I wish the learners of our concept, that is innovative communicative English, that means ICE, you can learn the language with the grammar, and also you can speak casually, and by making small sentences, two word sentences. Please come, please go there, what are you doing? Oh, you are playing, nice, can you help me, can I help you? All these things, when you speak, normally you get the language in a very efficient manner, in a very casual manner, and also you will be very free. Wherever you go, you are able to communicate what the way you can communicate. I think I have conveyed you the message on the communication. Thank you. Thank you very much.